Hello. Today, when you declutter, don't look around and think you need to declutter everything at once. Don't pretend that you're Samantha and you're going to be able to just wiggle your nose and it's all going to be done. Don't dig in and go for 6 hours straight. Number one, you're going to be sorely disappointed. And number two, you're going to be exhausted. And number three, you might even be a little bit angry. Stop and make a plan. Work your plan. A little bit at a time, a little bit every day, not everything all at once. So when I have you working in zones, that's to keep you paced. The zone that we're in this week is zone 5, the living room. So declutter in the living room, one area at a time. Over time, slowly, suddenly, it'll all be done. So a girl today told me it might take me 1,000 hours, Kat, to do all the things I have to do in my house. I said, well, good. Then in a year, you'll have it all done. It'll be gone. It'll be the house you wanted it to be. Okay? All right. So a little at a time, not all at once. Have a great day.